AE30 Ultra GPS drone, professional 4K aerial drone with 3-axis gimbal, laser obstacle avoidance, Android smart remote, airdrop system, AI chip. Introducing the AE30 Ultra, a flagship-grade GPS drone engineered for professional aerial photography, intelligent automation, and real-world utility. With a 4K Ultra HD camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, laser obstacle avoidance, and an integrated Android touchscreen remote. The AE30 Ultra brings together cutting-edge technology for creators, adventurers, and tech enthusiasts alike. Whether you're filming cinematic content, surveying land, fishing, or performing patrols, this drone is designed to handle complex tasks while remaining intuitive and beginner-friendly. Movie camera 4K UHD camera with 3-axis mechanical gimbal, film like a pro. Capture breathtaking aerial footage with the AE30 Ultra's true 4K Ultra HD camera, engineered for high-resolution imaging and ultra-smooth video. The precision 3-axis mechanical gimbal delivers stable footage in any condition. Whether you're flying fast, facing wind, or making dynamic maneuvers. Auto resolution. 7680 x 4320. Full gimbal range. Pitch 110 degrees, roll 45 degrees, yaw 65 degrees. Capture stunning landscapes, events, and professional real estate content with cinema-grade quality. Satellite dish upgraded smart remote with built-in Android OS, control and monitor in one. Revolutionize your flying experience with the next-gen Logger remote controller, now upgraded with a built-in Android operating system. Use it just like a smartphone. Stream live FPV video directly on the integrated screen. Run apps, download footage, and manage settings in one device. No phone connection or third-party app required. Sleek touchscreen interface for responsive, user-friendly control. Rocket laser obstacle avoidance, advanced 360 degrees safety. Navigate complex environments with the built-in 360 degrees intelligent laser obstacle avoidance system. The lift-type obstacle avoidance head is discreetly housed when not in use, ensuring a clean, aerodynamic design. Perfect for urban environments, forests, tight spaces, or indoor flight, this feature adds an unmatched layer of protection and precision, especially for new pilots. Battery powerful long-lasting battery 11.4 volts 4500 mAh. Experience extended flight time with the high-capacity 11.4 volts 4500 mAh battery, featuring fast charging technology for minimal downtime. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight per charge, conditions depending. Modular battery design for easy replacement and safe charging. Extra batteries recommended for extended missions or field use. Bullseye built-in airdrop function 800 grams payload capacity. One of the AE30 Ultra's most unique features is its bottom-mounted electric airdrop system, capable of delivering payloads of up to 800 grams with a single click. Use this for fishing, carry bait or drop lines, search and rescue patrols, agricultural delivery or inspection, community projects or remote supply drops. Controlled effortlessly via the remote, this feature adds real-world functionality to your drone experience. AI-powered smart flight system, perfect for all skill levels. Equipped with a new generation AI flight chip, the AE30 Ultra adapts to both beginners and advanced users. Whether you're flying manually or using smart features, the drone's intelligence makes every flight smooth and enjoyable. Supported by GPS, GLONASS, and BeiDou positioning systems, the drone can auto hover with precision, return to home, RTH, with a single tap or loss of signal, follow you or a moving object, fly via waypoints or orbit around a subject, take photos, videos using gesture commands. Airplane technical specifications. Product name: AE30 aerial drone. Camera resolution: 4K UHD, 7680 x 4320. Gimbal: 3-axis mechanical, pitch 110 degrees, roll 45 degrees, yaw 65 degrees. Signal transmission: 5G HD FPV, real-time video. Flight assistance: full 360 degrees intelligent laser avoidance. GPS system: GPS plus GLONASS plus BeiDou. Battery: 11.4 volts 4500 mAh Li-ion, modular, fast charge. Unfolded size: 47 by 43 by 12 centimeters. Folded size, 23 by 14 by 12 centimeters. Payload capacity, Airdrop, 800 grams. AI chip. Latest generation with enhanced processing power. What's in the box? 1x AE30 Ultra GPS drone. 1x smart Android touchscreen remote controller. 1x 4500 mAh flight battery. 1x USB charging cable. 1x screwdriver. 4x spare propellers. 2x specifications manual. 1x protective backpack. 1x premium color gift box. Why choose the AE30 Ultra? Integrated Android screen controller, no phone needed. Real 4K camera with mechanical 3-axis gimbal. Obstacle avoidance via lift-type laser scanner. Up to 800 grams airdrop capability for fishing, surveillance. Ultra-stable GPS positioning with triple satellite system. Long battery life with fast charge support. Foldable design, portable, and travel-ready. Beginner-friendly with pro-level features. Powerful AI chip for intelligent flight automation.